I think I was accused just now of taking life too seriously. So I'm going to take a little break from being serious for a while, and I'm going to show my love of the Belgians by eating some of their seashells. Got to be done, hasn't it, really? Well, you don't get many in these boxes, do you? Perhaps that'll stop me from becoming clinically obese or something. Yeah, that looks like something worth eating, really, doesn't it? Yes, we'll have a little munch. Well, I'm not going to take life very seriously at all tonight. I'm going to play trains. Where is it? Here she comes. Right, I've got to clear the track because I've got a nuclear train coming through in a minute. So we better get this one out of the way. Oh dear. Oh, that wasn't very good, was it? Come uncoupled. Well, we have to do a little bit of jiggery pokery. Let's recouple her. There we are. Right, we'll try again. Right, well that got that train out of the way. Now, there must be another train somewhere here. Let's see. Let's see what other train we've got. Right, well I've got a train that is going off to the nuclear power station, and it's going to pick up some nuclear waste to take away. But I'm a little bit worried because some of this track is a little bit lumpy and bumpy, and every now and then the train derails. Right, away she goes, off to the nuclear power station. Right, here she comes back. She's picked up some very, very volatile nuclear waste. Let's just hope that nothing unfortunate happens with this load.